Good morning, student. And today we will start the chapter 13 electricity of class 10th test book questions related to numerical. One or two questions we will discuss and remaining you to solve yourself. And first question number 13. A hot plate of an electric oven connected to a 220 volt line has two resistance of coil A and coil B. Means an oven, hot plate, electric oven. It is question number 13. Having two resistance. This one resistance A and resistance B. Here is the two resistance ARA and this is RB. And this is a combination of hot oven. In each of resistance is 24. Here is 24. It is also 24 ohm. It is also 24 ohm. And it may which may be used separately in series or in current. And voltage is 220 volt. Mean first case use separately. Second case used in series. And third, what is the third? Used in parallel. We have to discuss all three cases. And now when we use separately, here is the resistance of this is 24 ohm and connected to a source which having the potential difference of 220 and the current is passed through this one. What is the amount of current through these sources? Can you tell me? What is the amount of current according to Ohm law? V R is equal to 20 ohm, 24 ohm, and V is equal to 220 volt. I have to find out I. V is equal to IR. Then I is equal to V upon R. What is V? 220. What is R? 24. And this will be 655. This is 55 upon 6. It is your answer, ampere. And now reduce in simplest form. Reduce in decimal form. It means when resistance of 24 ohm is used separately, this is also and one this is also same. When we use separately, the amount of current is 55 upon 6 and you have to divide and find the answer in decimal form. Here when these two resistances are combined in series, here is one resistance, here is another resistance. This is R1 is 24 ohm and this is R2 is 24 ohm and they are connected in series. And here is the battery. Means source is 220 volt plus minus and you have to sign put yourself. Arrow. This is circuit. And when connected in series, what is the amount of current flow this one? R1 is equal to 24 ohm. It is clear? And R2 is equal to 24 ohm. It means total resistance. What is the formula to calculate the total resistance when they combine in series? Tell me. R1 plus R2. That means R is equal to 24 plus 24 is equal to 24 ohm plus 24 ohm. R is equal to 48 ohm. It means according to Ohm law, V is equal to I R. What is V? It is 220. V is equal to 220 volt. That means to I R we have to find out. I is equal to V upon R. What is V? 220 upon R is 48. And you have to simplify and find answer yourself. Simplify and find. It is clear. And now when they are using parallel, what will happen? When using parallel, what is your circuit? This one and this one. They are connected in parallel. This will be the current plus minus. This is R1, this is R2. And you know how we can calculate the total resistance when the resistors are combined in parallel. That is R1 is equal to 24, R2 is equal to 24 ohm. Then R is equal to R1 plus, sorry, then in parallel 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. And now 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1. What is R1? It is 24 plus 1 upon 24. 1 upon R. LCM is, after taking LCM, this is your answer. Then R is equal to 12 ohm. Then what is I? I is equal to V is equal to I R. Then I is equal to V upon R. So I is equal to, what is V? 220 upon my R 12, and we have to simplify. This is a ampere. It means when the two resistors of 24 each, when we use separately, then the amount of current in each resistance is 55 upon my 6, and you have to simplify. And if they are connected in series, then the total current is 220 upon 48, and here is, when we connected in parallel, then the total current is 220 upon 12. If we think, if it is better to connect in parallel, because the current drawn in parallel is more as compared to series or as compared to individual. More current drawn by parallel, and then separately, and least current is drawn in case of series. This way, the current drawn by each resistor when they are connected in parallel, when they are connected in series, when they are connected separately. This is your question. And now move to next question. Then question number 15. Two lamps, one rated 100 watt. Rated mean energy consumed by an electrical appliances in a given interval of time, which identify the power. Power means rated of electrical consumption by an electrical appliances. It means two lamp. One lamp is, this is two lamp. This is lamp of which 100 watt with 220 volt, and another lamp 60 watt with 220 volt, 60 watt and 220 volt, and they are connected in parallel. This is parallel combination through a source. This is the source, plus minus, and here is I, and this is the parallel combination I1 and I2. We know very well I is equal to I1 plus I2. What is the current drawn if the supply is 220 volt? This supply is 220 volt. That means voltage is same, and we know very well in parallel the voltage is same. Then what is this power? P1 is equal to 100 watt and P2 is equal to 60 watt, and V is the voltage is same for bulb 1 which has the rated 100 watt. Rated means power, energy consumed by an electrical appliances per unit time is identified. The rating of an electrical appliances means power. How much power he is consuming, that depend upon the energy per unit time. V, which is constant, which is same for bulb 1 and bulb 2, and this is 220 volt. I in parallel, I is the total current in the circuit, which is equal to I1 plus I2. I is equal to I1 plus I2. Then I1, what is I1? We know. It means I have to find out I1 and I2. P, we know P is equal to V I. Power is equal to V into I. We know it very well. And then for first case, P1 is equal to 100, it is mentioned. Then P1 is equal to V into I1. And then what is I1? I1 is equal to P1 oblique V. And similarly, second case, so this is equal to P1. What is P? 100 upon में what is B? 220. This is A. And second case, P2 is equal to V I2, and then I2 is equal to P2 upon में V. What is P2? 60 upon में 220. This is A. Then I2, this is your I2, and in parallel they are connected in parallel. So that means I is equal to I1 plus I2. Then I is equal to I1. What is I1? 100 upon 220 plus 60 upon में 220 A, and both will be I is equal to 160 upon में 220 A, and simplify and find the answer. It means when two bulbs operated 100 watt and 60 watt at a supply of 220 connected in parallel, then we have to find out current drawn by these appliances, current drawn by these appliances, and then we have to add. Why? Because in parallel current is different in the different appliances. It means the total current drawn in the circuit is the sum of the current passed through the individual electrical appliances. This is your question number 15. And question number 16. Which use more energy? We know energy is equal to power into time. First case, 200 watt TV. First case, $250 watt TV set in 1 hour. First, this is your power rated. P1 is equal to 250 watt and T1 is equal to 1 hour. We know power is equal to energy upon में time, cross multiply. Then we can say P1 is equal to E1 into में upon में E2, cross multiply. Then E1 is equal to P1 into T1 is equal to, what is P1? 250 into में 1 hour is equal to 250 watt hour. So it means E1 is equal to 250 watt hour, or we can say 0.25 kWh, or what is the meaning of kWh? Is equal to 0.25 unit. And I already told you that 1 unit is equal to 1 kWh. If the 250 watt TV is operated for 1 hour, then energy consumed by TV in 1 hour is 0.25 unit, and this unit is equal to kilowatt hour. How this will be answered? 250 watt hour, we have to change into kilowatt hour, divided by 1000 kWh. This is 0.25. It is our answer. It means energy consumed by 250 watt TV in 1 hour is this one, 0.25. Second case, $1200 watt toaster in 10 minutes. It means this is time and this is power rated of the toaster. And how we can find out? Here is P1, P2 is equal to 1200 watt, and T2 is equal to 10 minute, and we have to convert, this is in hour, this is in minute, so we have to convert it into hour. Upon my 60 is into hour. T2 is equal to 1 by 6 hour. Then according to formula E1 is E2, we know upon my T2 is equal to P2. This is your formula. And now again cross multiply. E2 is equal to P2 into my T2. Then E2 is equal to P2. What is P2? 1200 watt into में 1 by 6. This will cut. This is your 200. This is your 200 watt hour, and converted into kilowatt hour, divided by 1000, 0.2 kWh, H means we can say 0.2 unit. So it means E2. Which consume more energy? First case or second case? First case consume more energy than the second case. It means 250 watt TV if used in 1 hour consume more energy than the energy consumed by 200 toaster which is used for 10 minutes. And these are the numericals. This is the question 16. Note it and be careful for them.